What's up, y'all? It's your girl Avian, and we're here today. This is our day what? I think this is day, I don't even know anymore. It's all like a blur together now. We're over here on Marcos Island, about to go check out the Marcos domes and the 10,000 islands. We were supposed to be in Keys, but the weather is a little bit choppy, so we're trying to do something different right now and move up the trip, and then tomorrow will be clear water. But you can see we just launched, and let me hurry up and put my shoes on and move out the way. Give me a second. So we're on the ski now. Got Karina, she goes and parks the truck while we unlaunch the skis, and now we're off to, like I was saying, Marcos Dome Island, or the dome homes as they say. Now these homes were on land before. I'll try to include the picture right above here and you'll see it. You can find out more information. Maybe I'll put a little information at the bottom for you guys, but it's pretty cool. They said it probably is not going to be there for much longer because they look like they're already falling apart and more sunken in the inside the water. So, but we're gonna try to go get some good pictures, check it out, maybe swim underneath it, who knows, and then check out this 10,000 islands that they have out here. Have you heard about the dome homes?
No.
Nope. Well, she's about to hear about it today. Here's a good tip. Some of y'all wonder why I wear long sleeves and pants, and you see that when the sun's beating you down, where is it at? The sun's beating you down. It's so freaking hot. And even if you jump in the water just basically evaporates off your arm. It soaks up and it's so freaking hot. So you put a little water on your sleeves, and with the air, it's like air conditioning. It keeps you cool and protects your skin at the same time.
And when it dries, you wet again. You wet your arms again.
They even have a nice little beach area that's protected, so you're not gonna get beat up. Come hang out in. There's one right here somewhere.
Oh, look, there's someone there. Good job. Here we are.
Riding by myself. I look back and my passenger is sitting on the last seat. She said it's more comfortable back there. She says during choppy weather waters, it's a lot more comfortable. She could hold on better back there. Whatever works, right? The dome homes are right there. I can see them. Look at it. That's pretty cool. Especially was like this on top of it. What my leg? Look, I have all this stuff on me trying to get on it. Searching for food. We haven't been on the water that long, but you know, when you don't eat a big breakfast, you get hungry by 12 o'clock. I think it's 3 o'clock right now, actually, 3:22. So we're gonna check out some restaurants over here in this cove area. And they're all closed. The only place I think is open is Krabby's. Please host this.
Wait for Spielberg to finish up with lunch. Who wants? That's good. Burger.
So we just finished our food and it was delicious. I had the lobster BLT, she had the grouper, we had the grouper balls, and everything was delicious, even their mojitos. So if y'all are in this area, in the San Marcos Island area, visiting the dome houses, come check out Little Bar. And look at those, that's pretty cute. We saw them earlier when we were taking off from the ramp. So we're all done over here. We finished up the dome houses and it was real quick. This is a quick ride. I'll put the link down below for information on the Romano Dome houses. But if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button. If you have any questions, comment down below. And if you're not subscribed already, make sure you're subscribed. But until next time, actually tomorrow, I'll see y'all on the water.